Well, hello everyone and welcome back to another theme park obsession video. My name is Dylan and thank you so much for tuning back into the channel. Today I'm hanging out at Six Flags Magic Mountain to see what's going on this week. So how about you and I dive right in. And would you look at that, right back at Six Flags Magic Mountain on this beautiful day. A little bit of a breeze coming through, but it's nice out. And look at this, on the outside of the park, they're advertising the annual passes. It says buy a day, get the year with a platinum pass. Remember, you have admission to the water park as well when you get that pass. Super easy entry process. Yeah, I'm here on a Monday, so it's not gonna be like too slammed coming in. It's really nice right now. Six Flags Magic Mountain is still on that operating schedule that I talked about in my last video. They're closed Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday until further notice. When that changes, I'll let you guys know. And since the park is open on a Monday like today, I do suggest coming on Mondays until they change the schedule again. Because yeah, I mean, look at this. There's not that many people in the park at all. I mean, just in this shot alone, there's like nobody. So perfect time to ride some coasters. Get here early and you'll be able to do everything at the park. Now, I wasn't able to get a shot of it when I pulled in, but I did see that they're working on the parking lot out by Scream. So if there's still daylight, I'm able to get a good shot of it. I'll get some video before I leave. But hopefully, fingers crossed, they'll be repaving, resurfacing the parking lot because it definitely needs it. Ooh, look at this. They're working on this sign to Whistle Stop Park. I wonder if that's the only thing they're working on or if they have other plans for this area. Again, we'll keep an eye on it. Not too many people over here in this end of the park. And you know what's really nice about this time of year, and especially since we've gotten so much rain, is a lot of the trees are in bloom here at Six Flags Magic Mountain, and they look absolutely gorgeous. There's a lot of pretty areas of Six Flags, and I love to sit and just appreciate them. Okay, low-key, I might ride Wonder Woman right now just to see how she's running, because it's been a hot minute actually since I've been on this. So yeah, let's go check the wait time, and if it's a walk-on, I'll do it. It should be a walk-on. There shouldn't be that many people here at all. They've still been working on these facades here and there, and I gotta say, they look really nice. And I hope that the remaining vision of this area is, fully fleshed out, because I still don't really know what's happening. So fingers crossed that, they do a lot more of this, especially over in that particular section where those restrooms used to be. Yeah, you know what? There's nobody out here in the switchback queue, and I don't see anybody inside the building either, so let's do it. Let's do Wonder Woman. I wish I can take you guys on, but Six Flags does not allow filming on the roller coasters. I want to be respectful to the park. Got off Wonder Woman. Solid ride, running very, very good today. Sat near the back on this one, and yeah, I mean, it was super smooth still. It's still holding up just like it was on opening day. So yeah, very satisfied with Wonder Woman. It's still one of my favorites in the park. Continuing my journey around the park, and there's a very interesting development happening over by Crazanity. It looks like Six Flags is doing some serious work with those Boardwalk games, and they're starting off with the big section in the back. All those games have been ripped out, and it looks like they're installing some new concepts. I don't think there's going to be any new rides there. I think this is just park aesthetic kind of things, upgrading the games in the Boardwalk, making them look a little nicer. And some of those games that they had were pretty old school, so this could be just, again, one of those aesthetics things that I've been talking about on the channel for quite some time. It's park improvements like that that are going to make the biggest difference. We have plenty of rides here. There's great coasters and fantastic thrill rides, but the park needs help in other areas, and I think it's like aesthetics, park beautification projects. I think those really will elevate the experience here. So I'm glad they're addressing the Boardwalk games, because yeah, some of those games are just so old. Oh, look at this over here at Riddler's Revenge. It seems to be closed for refurbishment. Again, this is around the time of year that Six Flags likes to do these kind of projects with their coasters. I mean, they have to work on them sometimes. There goes Wonder Woman. And since the park is pretty slow, yeah, again, this is a great time to work on all these massive coasters, getting them ready for a spring and summer break crowd. Now, instead of heading over towards the underground where West Coast Racers is, let's head up the hill towards Samurai Summit, because I'm very interested about that project up by Superman. Oh, we're gonna catch full throttle. Let's see, there she goes. Oh yeah. Wasn't really a long wait for that one when I walked in either. Oh, there was only a few people in line, so maybe we'll have to do that on the way out. Now, like I was talking about in my last Six Flags video, we're not sure if this is gonna be like a new ride up here, or this is just some infrastructure work, like plumbing and electrical, or maybe work for the restaurant that used to be here. I mean, Yeah, it's all a mystery right now, so it's going to be fun to watch this. And looking on the side of the hill here, we do not have any markers or flags placed on this side, so I don't think it's going to be anything too big if it's a new ride. But there is this marker right here. This one's new. And since Superman is open today, we have an opportunity to walk the length of this building to see what else they've been working on here. Ooh, we're going to get a shot of Full Throttle. Yep. Okay, yeah, there's a lot of markers right here. There's this big giant one right there. There's a couple pink ones. Again, all the colors mean different things. There's some yellow ones right here. Yeah, it might be just infrastructure work because I don't see anything on this end of the hill either. I mean, I don't think they would do anything close to the coaster track, but like usually if it's something major, we start seeing a few little hints here in the bushes and trees. But yeah, I don't see anything on this side. Okay, there's a yellow mark. Is there anything on the side over here? I mean, okay, we have some context clues. There's a pipe right there, so that could be some plumbing or electrical. I'm thinking this is just a big infrastructure project up here on Samurai Summit. But the big question is all of this infrastructure leading up to maybe a renovation of this former restaurant that's sitting behind me or something bigger? Because yeah, all the markers are just like right here. There's a bunch right there. Some right there. Interesting though, as I'm working my way up the hill, they are working on this particular support beam. They're not working like on the actual beam, but they're working like where it sits. And they're also working over here. So yeah, I don't know. I'm just nerding out on all this stuff because as a theme park enthusiast, when you see stuff like this on the ground, you just get all hyped for like nothing too. Because again, it could just be like plumbing and electrical, but like the theme park nerd in me is like, no, it could be like this amazing new ride. So yeah, it's just gonna be one of those things where we're gonna have to watch and wait. And then up here, yeah, again, not really much going on except for what's this? Okay, now I'm seeing more. What the heck? Okay, there's this is a new one. Okay, now I'm getting excited. Is there anything? I'm not gonna, go beyond just what I can normally see as a guest. I don't see any flags beyond that point. Let's see if we can find any other markers. Maybe they're like repaving all this up here. Look, there's another one right there. Let me look up what orange means again, because there's one right there. There's one. Are they just gonna repave this? Yeah, let me look up what orange means. There's another one right there. Okay, orange means that there's some sort of like communications maybe under the ground, like cable, alarm systems, anything like that. At least that's what it says online. I could be wrong. My construction friends, go ahead and comment down below. There's another one right there. Wow, I did not notice these last time I was here. I don't think they were here because I remember walking up here. One right there. There's one right there. Is there anything in these bushes? We gotta check. Nope, nothing in there. Some people that are new to my channel are probably going, Dylan, you are a crazy person. Like the fact that you're getting excited over spray paint markings on the ground. Like, and I'm telling you, like, this is exciting. As a theme park nerd, you get hyped for this kind of stuff. You get really, really hyped when you see different color spray paint markings on the ground at theme parks, because it could mean something that's just very little, or it could mean something very big, like a brand new ride. This is definitely a mystery project. I mean, this could be something big. I mean, it's Six Flags Magic Mountain. You just never know. I don't see anything over here. Just the plain Jane, the same old, same old. That's interesting. There's no orange markers on this end of the pathway. But when you, see, there's one right here. So when you come over here, so there's right here, is there one in this corner? You might be able to follow a trail here. Yeah, there's nothing over here. Nothing in the bushes. So let's keep, okay. Where'd it go? One right there. One right there. There's one right there, one right there. Yeah, they're probably going to be working on this stuff when the park is closed. Again, great opportunity to do so. And they don't have to worry about blocking anything off for guests. They can just come in here and work on things. This area is still blocked off, which is very interesting. So maybe this is on the laundry list of things to do as well. Tatsu, I believe, is down for refurbishment. I don't know for how long. I just haven't seen the attraction go today. So just keep that in mind if you are coming to the park. They might not have it open on some days. I think I saw it running last time I was here. So let me just double check. Yeah, it's for sure down. There's nobody in the queue. There's nobody up in the station either. I love when the park is really slow like this because you get to ride all your favorite coasters. You don't have to worry about the crowds. And this time of year is really nice as well because it's not as hot. It gets very hot up here in Valencia. So it's nice to enjoy a giant theme park like this and not have to worry about sweating your butt off. But if you are coming for the summer and spring break, remember to drink plenty of water. All of the quick service locations, even these snack stands, will give you a free cup of water. So just remember that. Always stay hydrated, because it does get pretty brutal and I've seen people pass out. We don't want that. Now, if you're wondering about park hours, today on a Monday, the park closes at 5 p.m. So I would suspect that on Mondays going forward until they change the schedule, the park will close at either 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. Some more utilities right here, but there's no markings. So either they don't need to work on this section or it's just, it's already been updated. So very interesting. Some utilities are marked and others are not. And then you have just big open spaces that just have a bunch of markings like what we just saw on Samurai Summit. We're gonna walk the long way around towards Viper. Oh, interesting. Viper is also down at the moment. Working my way down the hill and still trying to find Wonder Woman. They don't have Wonder Woman on the greatest coasters ever built timeline here. I feel like this would be a great opportunity to update this as well. And I would redo all the posters with their opening dates and everything, and then also list their records, because a lot of these roller coasters hold world records. So that would be kind of cool to walk up and down the hill and see each coaster's accomplishment. Finishing our lap around the park. Yeah, you can really get your steps in here. That is for sure. And man, oh man, it really is a pretty day today. And before we officially head out, let's head inside the Six Flags Emporium to see what's going on as far as the merch. Oh my goodness, look at this Goliath t-shirt. That's exactly what I look like going down that first drop. I actually don't mind this green pullover. It's kind of nice. Let's see, how much is it? It is a mystery. Don't know. I'm assuming it's $49.99 because this one is $49.99. But yeah, digging the green. Oh wow, this is a pretty intense Twisted Colossus shirt. $24.99 for that. And you could team it up with a Twisted Colossus cup. This particular cup style I'm seeing a lot of at all theme parks. Like I'm seeing them at Disney, Universal, and now here at Six Flags. This is for all the people that pass out in Goliath's Helix. I got conquered by Goliath. And with that, I think we're gonna call it a late afternoon. That was fun. Just glad I was able to get on Wonder Woman. Saw a few updates around the park. I'm glad the park is continuing to work on things, even in the off season. Yeah, it was good. Oh man, I smell that funnel cake. I gotta hold back though. I gotta resist. Well, that is gonna do it for today's very quick Six Flags Magic Mountain update video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and smash the thumbs up button. And if you're new to the channel and you love these videos from Six Flags Magic Mountain or some of your other favorite theme parks, consider subscribing because I have brand new videos every single week. Be sure to check out my Instagram account. I post there all the time, especially some breaking news before I post it here on YouTube. So I'll leave that link down below in the description. But until the next video, I hope you have a beautiful day, morning, evening, whatever it is. And I'll see you next time in the parks. Bye.